But let's find out some chartbuster ideas, stocks that will set the charts on fire. Nooresh and Kunal joining right back in to tell us those. And Kunal, what's the stock of the day?
So it's a mid-cap name. It's on GSFC or Gujarat State Fertilizer, the stock which has been extremely volatile, and if you look at the short-term charts, it's been all over the place. But then there's a major trend which is also in the making for GSFC. The stock which made a high in the previous year around this 200 odd mark, and a major low which was formed closer to 510 levels for the stock. Look at this consolidation the stock went through. This was a major consolidation for GSFC. Then came a gap up opening for the stock price, and this gap has been acting as a major support. In fact, the more important patterns is the last 3 or 4 months, where the stock has been trying to consolidate in this band of 180 to 145 broadly, extreme amount of volatility. But then the stock is now heading towards a breakout. So even if you look at this phase of consolidation, the stock has been trying to stick into a range. Volumes have shot up higher for the stock price, and the stock is now heading towards a breakout, this 190-95 mark, which I believe could probably lead to a breakout of the previous highs of the previous year for GSFC. So this could be a very important stock over the near to medium term. Just like many of the other names like GMDC, etc., have rallied up, I would sense GSFC could also follow similar suit.
Okay, and today, of course, not just GSFC, a lot of other fertilizer names are also doing well. So, Rashtriya Chemicals fertilizer RCF is higher, FACT is higher by 5 to 10%. So, of course, momentum building up as far as the fertilizer space is concerned. But what's the chartbuster idea, Nooresh, you have for us?
Oh, that's a chart for IPCA Labs. The stock saw a deep correction very recently on announcements back in April, May. Has slowly and steadily made a recovery. 950, 960 was the high back in 2022. That was acting as a resistance 2 times in August as well as in September. The stock pulled back from the same levels. Has made higher bottoms in that period and now breaking out above that 960, 70 mark today. So a clear breakout in the short term could go towards 1100, stop loss at 940.
Okay, so that's the take coming in as far as the chartbuster ideas are concerned. But let's get the top cracker ideas as well. Kunal?
2 buy calls. First one is about MCX, the stock heading towards a breakout yet again about that 2150 odd mark. So buy with a target of 2280, stop loss at 2130. And G Shipping is the other stock which has given a breakout of a consolidation about 900 levels. Targets of 950, stop loss at 898.
What about you, Nooresh? What are the top recommendations?
So first is a buy on Hero MotoCorp, trying to show a lot of relative strength and momentum. Stop loss at 3100, target price of 3250. Second is a buy on IndusInd Bank, which will eventually break out above the 1470 mark. Stop loss at 1410, target price of 1600.
All right, that's the view coming in, the updates there on what our chartists are picking out for the day.